Well, today we're going to talk about Sean's lathe project. Well, just almost finished it. Just need a drive and a chuck and I'm off to the races. No problem. I know how to, I was taught how to align a chuck on these fellows. Everything clamps right here. Slides back and forth. Adjustments here and here. And this is under here is a plate that clamps against the rails. H-beam rails from Carmack. Was it Carmack? Yeah. Steel company. Reasonably priced. Can I show you what I mean here? So let's just back this fellow up a bit. I guess I got him locked. So this fellow clamps underneath. Here's the pads that rest on cast iron. Pads that rest on the rails. The H-beam rails. So all I do is slide this forward and position it and tighten it. No problem. Oh yes, of course my ways are already sort of hardened. No, I don't think I'll polish. I'm going to leave the carbon on them. It's kind of hard steel and let it wear in kind of thing. This problem here, I solved it with a steady rest. This fits underneath. Up and it's no movement back and forth. So this kind of movement, no problem. I drill a hole here and here. So no movement that way if I'm going to use it. This part here is one of those compounds you get on eBay, you know. Well, let's see. Let me get up. $150 or something. Fairly well made. So the idea is slides up there. So I can go backwards here, forwards, machine things here, or way down here. The reason I got it because it's got a long stroke on it this way, and it goes this way. These old two pieces here, headstock and tailstock, are from a Wade lathe and free shipping for only $150 from a good eBay seller. There's rotten ones out there that ask an arm and a leg for this kind of stuff. But a lot of good guys out there too. So I've got my favorite sellers and get stuff really cheap. There's a lot of machine tools and stuff on eBay these days. Exorbitant prices, and you got to sort through all the stuff to find a good price. All these people think they're going to make $1 million, you know, but they're not. So this is an eBay item some years ago, the center rest, steady rest. Got two of them really cheap. I'm using one on the good old jet lathe now that's running. The only thing that's not running yet is the star lathe, which I'm building up, as well as Bergmaster turret drill press, electrical only. So I guess this fellow, it's already got a faceplate on it, so I just mount the chuck on there, machine it down, you know, the faceplate, make a tight fit, test for accuracy and all that cool stuff. I made these bearings here because the bearing was broken, and I made a special bearing that you can tighten it, and it tightens up the bearing actually. One of my own designs, so a John Hutchison lathe out of I-beams, H-beams. I anticipate no problems. Actually, I made a smaller one when I was a kid. It worked just fine until I got a turret, a Warner Swayze turret lathe. What's this on my file? Curved file. Gotta love it. So I do a lot of filing in that. Cutting with hand saws and... Let me see, where's that blade? I'll buy blades, you know, and none of them are any good at, you know, actually, the blades I found very good. It's kind of an unknown make. It's kind of orange colored thing with an odd ending. Where did I put this hacksaw? On here. I'd like to find out if I can find more of these. They basically keep on going and going and going as through hard material and last. They got this weird, this is the color and the weird ending. A little blunt compared to your normal ones, which I bought on eBay. There's your rounded type. It's supposed to have been military surplus, but they aren't much good for anything when you get into steels. So anyway, should I autograph this and sell it and put it on eBay? No. Got the other projects to finish up too. Get around to that sometime. This is a gem for milling and drilling. Although crazy me about a post drill, what do they call it? Forge, something blower and forge company or something or other. It was cheap. Just add a motor to it and I'll have another drill press. And I'll buy a miniature drill press somebody made themselves, really cheap. Why? I don't know. I like machine tools and Navy stuff and artillery. If you want to get something out of me, send me machine tools or artillery pieces and parts or Navy stuff. You'll get cooperation. Otherwise, I don't know. So anyway, this is this project. It'll be a flat belt. Motors are no problem. You just get put it on the side, anchor it, a flat belt around it. It'll run. I see no reasons for concerns. This thing will run perfect. Someday I'll get it running. So, and it's really solid. It's primitive. Getting inspiration from Pakistan truck people that make things with their hands and cutting and sawing and doing everything they can, and the Harbor Pass people with their guns and things, filing and cutting and ingenuity. No, I don't wear safety glasses, never have. Only when grinding, even that's kind of rare. And I will wear dust protection. I have sensitive lungs when it comes to dust and nose. So there you have it for today's little update. Should I show myself off? Where? Let's go around this way and see what I look like. Your little hottie needs a spanking. I need a spanking. Anyway, I want to give me a good licking. Yeah, I am kinky. Highly sexual. I enjoy it, number one. No problem. Okay, going now.